Hi everyone, today I will be making rice pudding with taro. Here are the ingredients. We have rice flour, taro, water, coconut milk, sugar and salt. Okay, let's get started. First, clean and peel off 1 pound taro. Clean the taro again and cut it into small pieces. The taro is ready for steaming, so bring a half pot of water to a boil. And we will steam it for 15 minutes or until it's cooked. After 15 minutes, use fork to test if it's soft enough. If so, it means it's well cooked. Now let's make rice pudding. First, put 1 cup of rice flour, half cup sugar, half teaspoon salt. Stir to combine the dry ingredients and then you can put 2 cups of water. And 2 cups of coconut milk. Stir to combine it well. The flour is well dissolved, so transfer it into the stove and turn on medium-low heat. Then stir it until it turns thick. About 5 minutes later, you will see lumps, so keep stirring until the texture becomes really thick. This is good and it won't stick to the pot anymore. Then you can drop the steamed taro in. Gently stir to combine it. The pudding is done. Next, put the pudding into the molds, cups, or banana leaves. Then you have to press it firmly. Let it sit in room temperature or fridge for 2 to 3 hours. About 3 hours later, it's getting firm, so just cut it into small pieces. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you so much. Bye!